Let's talk about a sleek little new knife called Aveli. Now, there have been so many different forms of treatment for cellulite on the market, and I want you to know this is the first device that I trust, and I'll show you exactly why. First, let's talk about what causes cellulite. So you can see here white bands that are tethering the skin superficial layers to the deep muscular layers. What sets this device apart is that it gives us laser accuracy, no pun intended. Where previous devices took more of a shotgun approach, this shows us exactly which bands we are treating with minimal trauma to surrounding tissue. Now, the buttock and the upper thigh are the most common areas for cellulite, and you can see 3 different types of bands here. Now, the approach is always customized to make the minimal number of access incisions. However, these incisions are even smaller than those used in traditional liposuction. This patient had 2 on each thigh to get to this level of aggressive treatment. These markings are made prior to the patient laying flat, so as the dimples can be truly appreciated in the standing position. Some bruising is to be expected after this procedure. However, patients can resume back to basic activities the following day. Compression pants should be worn immediately after the procedure and for the following weeks after, and occasionally in areas of aggressive release, foam padding can be used for further reinforcement. Now let's just take a minute to appreciate the use of this handheld device. Look at that depression that cellulite band is causing and how satisfying it is once it is released. Now, patients tolerate this extremely well awake, depending on whether they're boomers, millennials, or Gen Z. You may find them on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, respectively. All this with a little help from a mix of local anesthesia and potentially an anxiolytic like Xanax. Note here some before and afters. It is truly impressive how our eyes perceive little shadows and dimples on this particular anatomic structure, and I am even more amazed at how effective this little knife can be.